So first thing we're gonna need here is some bubble wrap.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on.
This workout band sold for $6. Buyers paying shipping. And this record sold for $3, buyer paying shipping. And I have one last but not least thing this morning, and it's not even 7 o'clock yet. This one is an F14. So here's my third thing that sold for the morning. It's a DVI to HDMI adapter. This sold for $4 and buyers paying shipping. Also, this is one of my things that I bought in one of those retail return boxes. So here's another item that's selling. Like I said, hopefully one day I'll sell out of everything that I bought in those boxes. Only about 7 months ago I bought my first box. And I sold 4 things over the night, and one of them being a game. You guys know I love selling games. This one I think had the eBay glitch on it. I'm not positive, but I offered free shipping, so hopefully that one won't cost me an arm and a leg. First thing I sold here was this Monopoly Here and Now game, and this sold for $11.60 and I pay shipping. The next thing that sold is another record. This is the Jackson Browne record. This record sold for $3.30. The next record that sold was the original free Fire and Water, and this sold for $8 and buyer paid shipping. The last thing that sold over the night was this poster. It was on auction and it sold for $10 and buyer paid shipping. I'm going to pause this for just a minute here. I'm going to pack up that Monopoly game and let you know how much it cost me to ship. So I'm back after packaging up this game, and total shipping on it was $8.23. So after fees and what I paid for it, I'm gonna make $1.13, I think it was. I'll put it on the screen here, over here. One day I'll get this. But at least I still made something. It wasn't a complete loss. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I had another thing sell today, Thursday, April 9th, and this is a Recon Turtle Beach gaming wired headset. It has only one ear for the headphone, and it's glasses friendly. I don't know if you can see it very well here in the packaging. I kind of already started wrapping it up, but I will show a picture of it here on the screen. Hey, Jimmy at Old School Flips. Thanks for teaching me how to pack this up. Today is April 10th, and we had 2 sales overnight. And the first item is a dog sweater. This sweater right here. It is a Magnolia, and it is a size small. This sold for $9.60. Buyer paid shipping. Kirby vacuum filters, and there's a set of 3 of them, but there's 2 or 3 packs in each of them. Here it is here. There's a 2-pack here, another 2-pack here, so we got 4 so far, and then a 6-pack, but it's missing a couple, so there's 6 total here. And I was on one of my Facebook groups last night, and I asked them what is something that they bought that they thought would sell well but did not. And a lady said that she bought some like Roomba or robot vacuum filters, and she said she got a lot of them for a very low price. And she said that recently they are selling for people to use for masks with what is all going on right now. So I didn't even think about it, but maybe somebody's buying these to use for a mask that they made or that they have to put a filter in. So there's always different ways things can be used, and I've had these for I think about 2 months now. This is part of that storage locker that I bought. And they sold for $25 and buyers paying shipping. So this is what sold for the morning. If anything else sells, I'll be back, but I'll probably be back tomorrow. So you all have a good day. Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you hashtag pay it forward eBay. So today is Saturday the 11th and we got 5 orders in for today, and I also got a couple packages in from some of my favorite resellers that are in this community. So I would like to show those to you here. The first package I have going out is a package from one of my retail return boxes, and I've already got it wrapped up in the bubble wrap and saran wrap ready to go out. And it is a Earbell Bluetooth headphones with beanie. It's gray. I'll show it here on the screen. And it sold for $20 and I pay shipping. So I'll let you know also how much that shipping was when I send it out. I got this car seat protector at the Goodwill, and I was going to use it for my little one. And we went to install his new car seat, and my husband didn't like the way it fit in there, so I sold it. And it sold for $15 and buyer paid shipping. And it just keeps your car seat protected. I sold this drinky glass that I bought for 50 cents at that really cool sale that I did the sourcing in 2 days. And this sold for $10 and buyers paying shipping. I'm gonna wrap this thing up like no other, and I'm gonna show you here how I do that. I sold a Coors beer bottle opener. It's vintage. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I'll put a picture on the screen here. My husband asked me why I sold it, that he would have gave me 10 for it, and this sold for 6. So he told me to message the buyer and tell him that he put in a better offer, but he was only joking. I sold a Victoria's Secret bra. This is a pre-owned bra that I bought from the Goodwill. Funny story, when my aunt was here, we were at the Goodwill and we found a bunch of Victoria's Secret underwear with brand new tags on it. So that's kind of some of the stuff that was left from that sourcing trip. I don't think I'm going to continue in the underwear department, but I wanted to show you because that sold for $12 and buyers paying shipping. Okay everyone, so I'm back. We're going to wrap up this Popeyes cup here and get that shipped off. So first thing we're gonna need here is some bubble wrap. Next, I'm going to take this saran wrap and wrap it up. All right, she's all wrapped up, ready to go. We're gonna find a box to put it in. All right, so I found a box to fit it in. This is a U.S. Priority Mail box. It is a 8 by 8 by 6 box. And you can get these at the U.S. Postal Office, and it fit just nicely in there. I'm going to put a little bit of packaging paper around the sides there just to make sure that it doesn't move around, but pretty well bubble wrapped in there. Alright, so I got the paper in there, and I'm putting just another piece of paper on top. I'm going to put my thank you note in there. Alright, it's all secured, ready to go. Alright everyone, so I got this beanie with the headphones wrapped up, and it cost me $5.28. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, since you know that was a free shipping item. I paid shipping. Got the label ready here. I also wanted to show you while I was getting this ready and getting these orders off, ready to go to the post office, I received a offer for a record. It was $2 for the record. I didn't pay much for these records. This is the record, Jackson Browne, Running on Empty. And I wanted to show you my new record boxes that I got. I will put a link in the description on these record boxes, but it's really cool because they're all kind of perforated on the sides. So when I do ship out these records, I like to bubble wrap them up and fold this box up. So I'm going to do that here so you guys can see. I take my shorter bubble wrap first. I take a longer piece and I go around and have it wrapped twice there. I have a little bit of Scotch tape here. I just put a little piece of tape. I fold the edges over. Fold the flap, and tape it. That's all you need. It's all ready to go. And this is only 1 inch from here to here, so it doesn't cost me very much to ship these out. I'll let you know on medium mail what this one is to ship out. So I'm getting ready to print that label here. It is going off to Pennsylvania, and it was $2.80 to ship medium mail. So these boxes, they don't weigh very much. The record doesn't weigh very much, so pretty cheap and easy way to ship. And of course the buyer paid shipping on this one, and we're all ready to go to the post office. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna probably be doing these videos like this from now on, unless you guys let me know in the comments that you didn't like it. So I got a couple of packages that I'm really excited to share from a couple of my reseller family, friends. So here is my first one that I got, and this is from Tesla Pickers. And if you guys don't know, he makes custom socks, and my husband seen when he was doing a giveaway that he was giving away Ultimate Warrior socks. So in here for my husband is the Ultimate Warrior socks. Got nice little packaging and puts them in. Here's the Ultimate Warrior socks. Thank you, Dave, and I'll let you know if they work for him or not. He's very excited to show them off to all of his co-workers. Thanks now. So the first one here is from Lonnie at Garage Flips or Shed Flips. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time, and I finally got an order in. So I was so excited I had to order 2, because in case I lose one or misplace one, I've got 2. So you probably all know what this is already, but it is the resizing knife, utility knife. This thing is awesome. I am so excited about this. It's heavy duty. This thing is the tool every reseller needs. And I got a Garage Flips sticker with a thank you from Lonnie and another knife. I have another box here that I would like to open it up with, show you guys how well it worked. The second box here is from another reseller. His reseller name is David, and he is Rev Resale. I messaged Rev and told him I needed to get a couple of games to entertain the family because they're tired of watching YouTube, and we love playing game night. So I purchased a couple games from Rev. This knife, it'll cut through some stuff. It's a good knife. So we got our little thank you note from Rev here, my invoice. Got a little note. It says, Queen Erin, thank you so very much for your purchase of these items. I hope they are a blessing to you and your family during these crazy times. I accidentally dropped a few other items 2, sorry. Our reseller community is an awesome group, and I appreciate the role you play in our big, crazy reselling family. May God bless, and thanks again, David, aka Rev Resale, and Nikki T. Nikki T is his bride. She is the legend, I think. Got some packaging. I will be using this again, Rev. Thank you. Oh, no wonder something dropped in there. These Garth Brooks CDs, Rev. I don't know, I might have to put this on the wall of shame. No, really, thank you, Rev, I appreciate it. Some tape? I've been needing some tape, Rev. Thank you so much. Every reseller needs some extra. The first thing I ordered here, Deer in the Headlights game. This is brand new, sealed in the pack. And it's a card game with some dice. Looks like a lot of fun. And Rev had sent me a message saying that he had played this game with his family, so I'm very excited to play this game with our family, and I might even do a little sneak peek clip of us playing this game. Thank you, Rev. I ordered this Wii fishing game because I've been telling Rev that he needs to do a what sold fishing video because he likes to fish in his spare time, and since I can't go out fishing right now, I've got a game, and Rev, look out, you might be seeing a what sold fishing video soon. Another thing, a pen. Thank you, Rev. You know all of us resellers need a pen, and this looks like a great, nice, fancy pen. I'll be using this. Thank you, Rev. Last but not least is this Imagine If game. Find out what your friends really think of you. But mine's going to say, find out what your family really thinks of you. I'll let you know if we all get in a fight after this game. Might give you a little sneak peek, but it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. This is another brand new sealed in the package game. Rev and Nikki T, I just want to say thank you very much. You guys are awesome. And also, I'm going to put a link right here on where to go to see Rev Resale and Lonnie at Garage Flips or Shed Flips. And also Dave at Tesla Pickers that made the Warrior socks. Thank you all. You guys are rock stars.